Did you just hear that?
What?
It just went.
I don't feel like smoking so bad. That's what I need to find out.
It just went. It just went.
Like, what's smoking? Are these hot? Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is real hot. I think it's burning, like, see the coolant we dropped on it and shit?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not burning.
It's not burning that.
It is the coolant. Taste it. Just go.
Yeah.
Dude, you didn't hear that when you turned it off?
What did it do?
It went. It went.
Really?
I swear. That was so sweet.
I want to take this off. I need to see if it's spooling.
Dude, if we take that off now.
I should have let it kept idling, but I don't know why it's smoking. I'm scared like this.
It's the coolant. You can taste it.
I know, but still.
Because it's still wet down in there, and
yeah, it's smoking like right here, I think.
yeah, it's just it's wet, and it's drying.
But I need to see if this is spinning, because if that's not spinning and lubing up, then it's bad. So let's take this off. I don't care how hard that was to get back on. We're gonna. I'd rather see if it's right,
Look how sweet it looks on the camera.
I know.
All the wires.
You see all the exhaust fumes that was coming out of there?